If food keeps getting stuck between your teeth meal after meal, that means your mouth may be trying to warn you about something. And no, toothpick is not the solution. Today, let's talk about why this happens, what could happen if you keep letting it happen for a prolonged period of time. Welcome back to DrBraces. I am Dr. Salman, an orthodontist practicing here in Bengaluru. On this channel, you get real, honest advice which I give to my friends, family, relatives, and my patients here in my practice. As usual, zero paid influence and zero sponsorships. Just my passion for sharing my knowledge to help you live a healthier life. So today we're going to talk about why food keeps getting stuck in your teeth and what we can do about it. Without further ado, let's jump right into the topic. So what are the common reasons why food keeps getting stuck between your teeth? Number one, you have a dental decay or cavity which you have not got it fixed. Number two, you have a teeth alignment problem which you have not got it at risk. Number three, you have worn on uneven contacts between the teeth. Number four, you have faulty crowns, faulty fillings, defects between two of your fillings, maybe the contacts are not right. Number four, you have a gum disease. It's called periodontal pocket or a gingival pocket, which leads to food entering. And what we keep doing, the mistakes I'm going to tell you, stick around towards the end of the video. I'm here to tell you why ignoring it is such a bad idea. Most people just remove the food stuck between their teeth and move on with life. And they're like, it's okay. What happens? What could happen? Repeated food lodgement could lead to cavities. Cavities could grow bigger, can lead to root canals, or it could lead to periodontal pockets that could slowly lead to gum inflammation, bleeding, most importantly, bad breath in your mouth. You don't feel good, you have a bad taste. Sometimes this also can lead to loosening of teeth over time, and ultimately you could lose the teeth because of mobility. So ignoring the small problem that starts right at a small level over a period of time progresses into periodontal disease that could lead to you losing teeth and probably requiring extensive treatments, surgical invasive treatments like dental implants. Do not ignore this. If you're watching, I will tell you what you should do and what you should not do. So what you must not do. If you're using a toothpick, please stop using it immediately. What happens is when you have a small pocket or a small cavity and the food enters there, normally you feel like putting the toothpick over there and taking it out, digging into the area. When you dig this, you get a gnawing feeling inside and you feel better. I understand that. Most patients tell me that. And because of that better feeling, every night or after every meal, they've made a ritual. They take a toothpick and they keep digging and taking out the food debris. But what happens? The toothpick is the culprit. It keeps increasing the whole size. So if you have a smaller cavity, it will make it bigger. If you have a smaller pocket, gum pocket, it will increase the size of the pocket. So next time when food gets stuck, larger amount of food gets stuck instead of a smaller amount previously. So your toothpick is intentionally worsening the problem while making you feel good about it. Another thing that you must not do is think that only brushing or mouthwash or over-the-counter meds are going to solve your problem. When this problem happens, come and see a dentist immediately so that they can stop this problem right at the beginning and do not progress into a periodontal disease. Sometimes people also use pins, safety pins, needles, all sorts of things. I had gone to a place where on their sofa, I could see they had put some safety pins on top of the sofa stuck in. And I was asking curiously, why do you have a safety pin? And they were embarrassed and they were telling, doctor, this is what I used to get rid of food debris in my mouth. So disgusting. But what do? Habits, and these habits must be discouraged. And after that, I made them understand there's something that you should not be doing. But what should you be doing instead? Visit your dentist immediately. And until you visit your dentist, make sure when you're trying to get food out of the area, instead of using a toothpick, a safety pin, a needle, use a floss. Use a dental floss available anywhere on any medical shop, pharmacy, over the counter. Use a waxed dental floss and use this floss to get food debris out of the area. You may tell that you don't know how to floss. If you don't know, I already have a video that shows you how to floss. You could check out the video. Otherwise, if you are lazy and you feel that you don't want to use a manual floss, you could always get an oral flosser, water flosser. It takes only 30 seconds with oral flosser to floss all of your teeth versus your regular manual flosser. Alternately, if you're not too much into flossing, which I would recommend 100% is mandatory, when my patients come to my practice, you could use interdental brushes that look something like this. That also will help you clean the area while not damaging the structures around it. And number 3, very important, you need to rinse vigorously after you're done with a meal immediately. So whatever food structure is getting stuck can get relieved post the meal. And visit your dentist so that he actually treats the cause and not just the symptom that you're trying to treat at home again and again. So in short, I'm here trying to say that food getting stuck between the teeth is not something that's going to bring your life to stop, but it's also actually something that your mouth is trying to tell you. You need to respect it, take your time out, and go to your dentist, get it checked and get that symptom cleared away. Let me know in comments if you have some questions about this, and I'll be very happy to answer. I personally read your comments. I love to reply myself instead of my team. And if you love my videos, I see a lot of you see and like, I want you to encourage to subscribe to my channel. That will motivate me even more to bring videos for you week on week. Share this with your loved ones. Until then, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.